Welcome back to the Merrick Mettler Family YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, before I forget, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell. It has been a while since I did a video. Lots of things going on, been busy. Today's Monday the 5th. By the time you watch it, it'll probably be Tuesday. We're wrapping up the 4th of July weekend here in the old hometown of Lancaster, Ohio. We're getting ready. We're sitting here waiting on the parade to start here soon. I'll tell you, I've been to a lot of parades outside of Lancaster, but nothing compares to the Lancaster parade. It's one of the best parades around. It really is. If you're in the Columbus area or even in the Outer Belt area, it's worth the drive, trust me. It'll take usually about 2 hours. It's a 2-hour parade. It lasts for a good bit of time, so it's not like a wham bam over, man. It's a long parade, but it's really awesome. And even though Lancaster has grown up and has definitely reached its britches sometimes, as I put it, because when I was a kid, we didn't have the 33 intersection there where they had the bypass or whatever you want to call it. We always said if they ever did build a bypass, this town would lose its innocence, and it has. Unfortunately, drugs are rampant in this town. It's a really sad state, but it's still got a very down-home feeling to it. Even though there is some dark elements here that used to never be here. Of course, time has changed a lot. So what's been going on? Well, let's see. Last night or Saturday, we had the family cookout. I already posted pictures of that. I'll probably put some pictures in this video as well, so you can see that. I'll probably definitely have some pictures here of the parade that'll go into this video. Also, there'll probably be a little short clip that I'll add to this video of the parade. I won't do the whole thing because I don't think you want to sit around for 2 hours watching a parade. Of course, like I said, it's a good parade. So I won't make you sit through the whole 2-hour parade. I just wanted to stop by and tell you that I'm still alive. We're doing good. We're having fun. Daughter's up from Tennessee. The grandbabies are in. They spent the night last night and had a great time. And today we're just wrapping up the 4th of July weekend with a parade. Mama went, Paisley girl, she went and got some donuts for us at our old famous donut world. We are looking at a house down here in Lancaster to come here and probably make. I think this is probably where we'll move to, because like I said, it's still got that hometown feel, even though it's grown. The biggest thing that we had in Lancaster back when I was a kid was the mall. I mean, that was like huge. That was a big deal. But even the mall now, we went in there, I don't know, a year, maybe 2 years ago. I can't remember when we went in there. All the stuff's gone, pretty much. Of course, that's what happens when you get Walmart and all these other big stores come in, that pushes out the mall. So I was really shocked how the mall had went down as far as visitors. I remember when I was a kid, you go to the mall and, of course, we'd hang out with our friends and stuff, and you'd stay there all day, and I'm kind of sitting here in the sun. There we go. That's a lot better. I have to hold it this way. The mall used to be packed. On Saturday, the parking lot would be full, and, I don't know. But, so yeah, we're looking at a house down here. Actually, after the parade's over, we're going to go drive by the house that we're looking at. So that's something we're probably going to be doing next year, looking for a house down here. Because we love it down here. Like I said, it's still got that hometown feel. and it's still got all the stuff that you would see like in Columbus or or even Canal. Um, and we're only a short drive. I mean, it's like 20 minutes down for Canal. Uh, I mean, if I had my way, I'd go even further. Go down. I would go down towards Logan and look at a house. But the wife would have to drive further, and I don't see her planning on giving up her job as school custodian. So, yeah. So, and the Paisley girl behind me, as you can see, she just got back with our breakfast. So, yeah, I mean, not much been going on. I haven't done a vlog or anything like that lately because I found it's just better if I just don't do one, because there's been a lot of things going on in our country, and I'm not going to get into it. Because like I said, I just wanted to stop by, and I hope you all had a very blessed and happy 4th of July. And stay tuned at the end of this video for some short clip of the parade here, and some pictures and so forth like that. So hope you all enjoy it. Have a very blessed day. And God bless America. Amen. God bless America. Love you all. Happy 4th. Moonshine Fest. Happy 4th.